Yeah, so it's a brand new year 2021, and we are hoping for the best of years this year. In the year 2020, we were hit by the global pandemic, that's the COVID-19, which affected a lot of people and all. Yeah, so this year, I'm going to actually recollect or regain whatever we lost last year. And on this channel, that is, we're going to give you guys back-to-back content from interviews, events, gossip, just name it. It's going to be right here on that JST. As always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, so today's got is about Sarkodie. Yes, we all know that last year Sarkodie's plans, and not only Sarkodie, a lot of Ghanaian artists and even global artists' plans were distorted by the COVID-19 virus. Yes, so as you know, Sarkodie was held in the United States of America for a very long time, and upon the release of the lockdown in Ghana, he flew back in Ghana to actually accomplish his target or his task for the year. And you know, in the year in review, Sarkodie was able to give us a concert which was actually hosted or supported by Sick.com, of which in that particular concert caused a lot of problems. And also was able to also crown the year with the Rapaholic concert, of which also gained a lot of attention from the media. I really nailed it. Yeah, so the last song Sarkodie dropped was Hasta La Vista featuring Zlatan, and even before that, Sarkodie had a writing camp which actually hosted, or let me say, featured a lot of artists, across Africa and also in Ghana. Yeah, so it seems this year 2021, Sarkodie is not going to really make anything distort his plans. He really wants to go hard this year 2021. This year is an action year, okay? So whatever you have to do it now. So Sarkodie is actually starting on a very quick and good note, of which he actually took to Twitter to announce to his fans that, hey, Charlie, this year I'm going to go all out. Last year really messed me up, so I'm not going to allow anything to mess me up this year. Therefore, I'm starting very early. So Friday, he announced that on Friday he's going to release his new song, or he's going to release a new song. Yeah, so Sarkodie took to Twitter and he wrote, I want to release a new music this Friday. And he mentioned a person called KG Spio. And he also actually enlightened his fans about the music or the content of the music. He was saying that love making music gets the listener in his or her feelings. This new song I want to drop either makes you cry or makes you smile. And he actually gave his fans or his followers a hint of the title of this music going to be Comeback. As we know, when it comes to love song, when it comes to emotional song, feeling song, Sarkodie is definitely going to nail it. As we already know, yeah, when it comes to collaboration with the likes of Kim Promise, Ife and all that, Charlie, they really give us the best of songs. But this one he didn't really see whether it's going to be a feature or it's going to be a solo project, but he's saying that he's going to drop a new song coming this Friday. And guys, mainly Sarkodie announced the song. Sarkodie is actually trending on Twitter, and also the hashtag Comeback, that's the title of the song, Comeback, is trending on Twitter. Isn't this amazing? Sark Nation, they love their king, Sarkodie. Yeah, so guys, what do you think about Sarkodie, dropping or starting the year on a very good note? I mean, do you think it's a very good thing, or you think you should relax and plan and all that? Or you think it's about that because there's no time to waste? Can you drop your comments in the comment section? But let's get interactive in there. Yeah, so all too soon, we've come to the end of the daily entertainment gossip show right here on that TV. As always, if you are new here, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at odate.gh. Follow me on Instagram especially. Let's get interactive in there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.